Any more questions? Okay, why don't you go ahead?
Hello. I have a question for Gagan. Gagan, as Abhinav has got gold medal in 2008 Olympics, and we are still expecting a medal from him and from you, but the performances were not the same. So the people like Michael Phelps and Usain Bolt keep on repeating the same performance in every Olympics. So do we lack the skill sets, or do we lack the infrastructure quality in India? So what's that one thing is missing in our culture?
Well, I feel nowhere in any part of the world sport is encouraged and acknowledged the way it's done in India. And जितना सम्मान हमें हमारे देश में मिलता है, उतना मेरे ख्याल से किसी और ओलंपिक एथलीट को अपने देश में नहीं मिलता. जब विजय अपना मैच चला रहा था, he was fighting against a guy from Cuba called Pupo, and once his match got over, जब उसका मैच खत्म हुआ, तो I had a chance to go meet him, and I told him that I asked him, I said, how much are you going to get in your country, and how good is it going to be for you? He said, I'm going to get paid $2,000. So the kind of recognition and the kind of pat on the back that you get in the country is immense. And Olympic sports is surviving because of government support. So the kind of system that is in place is working. That is the reason why we are all out here. But right now is the time to build on this momentum and launch a concentrated effort, set things right which are not right in place, and go for it. There is immense talent in the country. I mean, the way I see a lot of kids coming into the academy, and 7 out of 10 people in the country are talented for shooting. I'm sure there might be so many who are willing to take up wrestling or take up boxing. So the support needs to come right from the beginning. I mean, the first person that supports and encourages you are your parents. They need to understand that my son or my daughter wants to do sport and I need to encourage them. Second, the support comes from the education system. You go to the schools and colleges, and that is where your teachers need to support you. The system needs to support you. Then you are coming into the system where the government has. And it's a fantastic system. Of course, problems are everywhere, but I think we should stop looking for problems and start helping ourselves, start doing our job. An athlete always has to concentrate on what he can do best in the situations given, and that is what makes us champions. If we keep finding faults with the system or with somebody else, we never get any far. So I think, like I said, there needs to be a concentrated effort. The media has to be involved in it. The government has to be proactive, and that is when we can compare ourselves with people like Phelps and then Usain Bolt, we have the talent. We just need to tap into it.
I just found that OGQ Viren has sponsored you. OGQ, the Viren Rasmussen, the private enterprise is supporting the people like you and Saina, and they have personally came up to help you, the private sponsorship what they have raised from the corporates. So I haven't found that the government has, after getting the medals, you have got such a hoopla in the Indian continent. But before that, there was not such a political support for the sport.
No, I disagree with you. I think the support has been from the start. We need 100 OGQs and 100 entrepreneurs to come forward and sponsor sport, including you.
सुशील, आप बताएं, क्या आप इत्तेफाक रखते हैं जो अभी गगन ने कहा कि इतना भी बुरा नहीं है सिस्टम, सपोर्ट है, मोटिवेशन है, लोगों का प्यार है, जो शायद और ज्यादा प्रोत्साहित करता है कि बेहतर करें?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. पूरे देश ने दिखा दिया है कि हम अपने स्पोर्ट्समैनों के साथ हैं, और बीजिंग ओलंपिक के बाद मैं मानता हूं कि पूरे स्पोर्ट्स का बहुत चेंज हुआ है, सभी का माइंड भी चेंज हुआ है स्पोर्ट्समैनों का. आप देखोगे कि हमारे अब की बार बहुत नजदीक से कई मेडल हमारे, जो एक शूटिंग में था जो 4th आया है, वो है एक कृष्णा पूनिया है जो फाइनल खेली है. तो सभी ने, अब ये नहीं गया हुआ था कोई वहां पे कि हम ओलंपिक खेलने गए हुए, सब वहां पे बस ये था कि हाँ मेडल लेके आना है. तो एक बहुत बड़ा हमारे स्पोर्ट्समैनों में चेंज आया है. और मैं मानता हूं हमारे जो मिनिस्टर लोग हैं उनमें भी बहुत चेंज आया है. आप देखोगे कि हमारे स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर कितना, आप एक आदमी से टच में है, माखन जी, वो हर एक चीज पूछते हैं, आप ये आपको किस चीज की जरूरत है. तो मैं मानता हूं बहुत ज्यादा चेंज हुआ है हमारी स्पोर्ट्स में. और मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूं कि आने वाला टाइम और अच्छा होगा. बीजिंग में हमारे 3 थे, अब 6 हैं, और रियो में और अच्छा होगा.